Anyway, down at Sis's, it's Sunday. Somewhere around noonish. Got up early, did more wiring in their house. I almost got her bathroom completed. Anyway, Juan's gonna head out on his bike. He's gonna go up to the Bimini. We're gonna head down towards the Iron Horse. I know it's just gonna be dead, but I'm going down there to look for a patch for a friend of mine. And then after that, we'll probably backtrack to Saints and Sinners. That's where we'll probably go. That's what I'm thinking. Move the trail out of the way. Little kid always looking good. Good. Yeah. We'll see if Sis notices that I put the bell on. Anyway, more video to follow. Get you down at the Iron Horse. Alright, Jerry's on his sled. Sis is on her sled. Holly and I are on ours. And if Sis would look at something like right down here, no, right down here, pointing on the left side of the bike. I brought one of my thing.
I got one.
Yeah? Right. We got Ron with us, Jerry. Sleds are looking good. Okay. We've been here a gazillion times in my life. Man, a lot of times in my life. I've been here with so many bike weeks back in the day. God, I was young. I had hair. I had brown hair. I had a ponytail back. I had a ponytail back to here back in the day. Been coming here a long time.
Back in the day, you know, I know what that means.
Like that out of the service. All right, man. More video to follow, man. We'll see you inside. Happy Sunday, everybody. Cool. All right, if it ever comes down to it, this is my plan. This is original, though, man. That's an original HD sidecar. It's on an Evo. No reverse drive. Pretty sweet. We got everybody hanging out today. Sis, bro. Got me here somewhere, right? Ron's convincing with everybody. And then, all right, here's a more modern version. Very cool. The circle? You want to sit over there? Trying to see, honey. I'll be right back or something. You're gonna walk or walk around with us. Back here, Jerry and I got memories here. So right here, and how it links kind of upstairs, but right around here.
Yeah.
This is the world famous burnout. Been here so many times, man. Some guy's running the bike over there, one's still at the top, and he's gonna blow the frickin' valve. We're here. Sun's kind of bright. Either way, we're at Saints and Sinners. Next point of call, man. Florida life. Biker life. Ain't nothing better, man. Ain't nothing better can put a smile on your damn face.
Being with family.
both right up front. That's cool. Good for him.